In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot user guide and change your language preferences. This tutorial will guide you through each step in a clear and friendly manner. So whether you're familiar with HubSpot or just getting started, you'll find it easy to follow along. First, let's address why you might want to change your language settings. HubSpot is a widely used tool that supports multiple languages to help cater to a global audience. Adjusting these settings can help improve your experience by providing content in the language you are most comfortable with. Now, let's dive into the steps. To begin, you'll need to visit the HubSpot user guide. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot platform. If you're not already logged in, be sure to do so with your account credentials. Once logged in, look for the user guide section. This is where you can find all sorts of helpful resources, and it's the perfect place to begin adjusting your preferences. The next step in this process is to access the settings. After opening the user guide, direct your attention to the interface where you'll spot a settings icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of customizable options. This settings menu is where you can manage various preferences related to your HubSpot experience, making it a crucial component of your navigation. This part might seem straightforward, but it's essential to ensure you're in the right section for any adjustments you plan to make. Now that you're in the settings, you're going to locate the language option. This is typically found within a list of user preferences, so scan the menu until you find it. Click on Language to open up your options. Here, you're able to see a list of available languages supported by HubSpot. You can choose the one that suits your needs by simply selecting it from the list. This change will update the language across your HubSpot interface, giving you a more personalized and accessible user experience. As you make your selection, make sure to click the Save button or equivalent confirmation option to apply your changes. You should now be able to see the interface refresh with your chosen language, allowing for a more seamless navigation tailored to your language preference. This can greatly enhance your daily use of HubSpot by ensuring clarity and comprehension. And there you have it. You've just successfully adjusted your language settings in the HubSpot user guide. Remember, configuring settings like these can make your interaction with any platform much more comfortable and efficient. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options every now and then, as HubSpot might offer new languages or features you haven't yet explored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find your new settings improve your HubSpot experience.